Salary has three different ways to call. For example, salary could be CTC, salary could be gross, और salary could be in hand. और हमको इन तीनों में फर्क समझना बहुत जरूरी है. What is CTC? What is in hand? What is gross? Gross and CTC are one and the same. Slight difference is there. CTC का long form, cost to company. Then gross is your various other components. Salary is made of different components. What components are salary made of? Basic होता है, फिर HRA होता है, फिर conveyance होता है, उसमें meal allowance, food allowance, कह दो उसको travel allowance, insurance, whatever it is, and then you have a structure which is called as gross. Once you deduct all the money, that is provident fund, TDS, professional tax, वो सब कटके जो आपको अकाउंट में आता है, जो मैसेज कि इतना पैसा क्रेडिट हुआ है, that is called as in hand salary. तो बहुत सारे लोग क्या करते हैं, what is your salary expectation, and the person will be like, my salary expectation is 10 lakh rupees. The HR will be, great, you are hired. If you go for an interview and you are like, sir, my salary expectation is 10 lakh rupees per annum, and the person will be like, great, you are hired, congratulations, from day this you can join. अब बंदा ज्वाइन करेगा 30-40 डेज के बाद जो फर्स्ट सैलरी आएगी 10 lakhs divided by 12 is equal to how much? Around 83,000. अब जो उसके अकाउंट में आएगी that would be somewhere around 65,000 and he'll be shocked. यार 63 का मतलब 60 into 12, how much that goes to? Around 7 lakhs. He'll be shocked. Did the HR lie? No, because 10 lakhs क्या मिला उनको फिर? CTC मिला है. Cost to company. You'll go to the HR ki sir, I demanded 10 lakh rupees and now I'm getting only 60,000 or 65,000. Then he will show you the offer letter, he'll show you the calculation and फिर कहानी हो जाएगी फिर वहां पे. So one, अगर आपको अमाउंट यूज करना है ना तो बहुत ज्यादा जरूरी है कि आप इन हैंड वर्ड लगा दो, क्योंकि आप जो अमाउंट कह रहे हो आपको हाथ में चाहिए. आई एम pretty sure, right? Maybe 30,000, maybe 1 lakh per month. This is the amount that you are expecting in your hand. So the thing is, when you use an amount, you say 50,000 in hand, 1 lakh rupees in hand. Now the bigger question is, should we actually say an amount? The answer is a big no.